Gentlemen, please inform us immediately when we may expect the lighting features we ordered from you on 7th October, for the apartment house we are now building, full stop. According to our understanding at that time, we were to deliver them toward the end of the month, but you have failed to do so, full stop. It is understanding, of course, that the delay may not be intentional on your part, but we have received no word from you, full stop. Please do not hesitate to inform us if you are not able to make immediate delivery, full stop. We think you will not misunderstanding our attitude when we say that if you cannot deliver them immediately, we shall have to get them elsewhere, full stop. Work is now being delayed and we simply cannot afford to wait, full stop. Very truly yours, and close.